Welcome to my channel. Hi ladies, if you've been searching for that one serum that makes your skin look smoother, firmer, and beautifully hydrated overnight, you're in the right place. Today, I'm reviewing the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum with hyaluronic acid and peptides that so many women call their anti-aging secret. Stay tuned, because you'll want to see these results. Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Face Serum. This deep and fast-penetrating face serum features Estée Lauder's exclusive 1 in 60-million night peptide technology combined with hyaluronic acid for unmatched skin transformation. With every application, the serum works to renew, firm, and hydrate your skin while supporting your skin's natural repair process. The result? You wake up every morning with smoother, firmer, and radiant-looking skin. This luxurious serum is clinically proven to fight visible signs of aging, from fine lines and wrinkles to uneven tone and dryness. By improving the skin's barrier and replenishing lost moisture, it delivers both immediate and long-term results that women around the world swear by. If dullness, sagging, or dryness has been your concern, this serum is formulated to restore your glow and keep your skin youthful-looking for years to come. Benefits: heavy checkmark visibly reduces fine lines and wrinkles. Skin looks noticeably smoother and less lined. Heavy checkmark boosts radiance. Gives skin a fresh, healthy glow so you wake up looking renewed. Heavy checkmark evens out skin tone, improves dullness and uneven texture for a balanced complexion. Heavy checkmark hydrates deeply. Hyaluronic acid locks in moisture, keeping skin plump and dewy all day. Heavy checkmark firms and strengthens. The exclusive night peptide complex helps skin feel firmer, more resilient, and younger looking. Heavy checkmark universal formula, suitable for all ages, all skin tones, and all skin types, including sensitive skin. Whether you're in your 20s looking to prevent early signs of aging, or in your 50s aiming to rejuvenate and firm your skin, this serum adapts beautifully to your needs. Suggested use: to get the best results from Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum, follow these simple steps. AM and PM routine. Begin with clean, dry skin. Apply a full dropper of the serum into the palm of your hand. Using all fingers of both hands, massage gently onto your face and throat in a heart-shaped motion. Follow with your favorite moisturizer to lock in hydration. Pro tip: consistency is key. Use it daily, both morning and evening, to see your skin transform over time. Why it's worth it? Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair has been a global bestseller for decades, trusted by millions of women worldwide. What makes it truly stand out is its ability to deliver visible improvements overnight while strengthening skin long-term. With its lightweight texture, fast absorption, and powerful active ingredients, it doesn't just sit on the skin. It works deep within to renew, repair, and protect. If you're serious about anti-aging skincare, investing in the serum is one of the best decisions you can make for your skin's future. White heavy checkmark. In summary, the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Face Serum with hyaluronic acid and peptides is more than just a serum. It's an advanced treatment that transforms your skincare routine. Expect skin that looks smoother, firmer, and more radiant, no matter your age or skin type. Wake up to beautiful, youthful-looking skin every single day. To buy this product, go to check link in the description box. Please subscribe my channel. Watch the next video. Thanks for watching.